Hi guys, welcome back. So last class we have seen some intro about Autocad, the things to be considered, the first things first, etc. Let's have a recap. Okay. So this is the Autocad graphical user interface. The first thing we talk about units. Okay. So setting units is the first and prime thing. So go here, type a command and start typing UN. You see here UN stands for unit. Once you enter UN, say enter. Here you can see the drawing units. The length type is decimal. It talks about angle and precision. And the insertion scale is feet, millimeters, centimeters, etc. Okay. So go here and select your units. You can select scientific, architectural, and it depends which units you select. So if you are measuring it in centimeters or meters, then you go for decimals, or else you can go with architectural. So feet and inches. Once this is done, say OK. So for use with architectural or engineering linear units, inside units should be set in inches. Okay. So that is talking like how to set your units in inches. As 1 feet equals to 12 inches. Say OK. Now you are ready to go. The first command we talk is simply how to create a line. Okay. Now go to your command box. Now type L. So remember L is the shortcut for line. So say enter. Now it is asking us specify your first point. As you pretty know that if you want to draw a line, so I have to give the start point as well as end point. Very simple. We need 2 points. If you connect those 2 points, then it is a line. Okay. And go here, select your first point on the screen, just move your mouse. Once it is done, press escape key on the keyboard 2 times. Okay, it's very simple. Now you just draw a single line. It is your start point and this is your end point. Okay, it's clear, right? But if you observe one thing, the line is not either horizontal or either vertical. It is inclined. You see the axis here, X and Y. Now this line is inclined. Okay, let's go back and say line again. Now say OK. Now try to put. Now say escape. Now this is somewhat horizontal line. Okay. And most of the civil drawings we come across with either horizontal lines or vertical lines. Okay. What is horizontal line? With reference to x-axis, the angle is 0. With reference to x-axis, if the angle is 90 degree, then it is vertical line. Okay, that's very simple. Next, if you want to delete this line, now you know how to create your line. In the similar fashion, if you want to delete it, okay, just select this one, and make a window and delete from your keyboard. That's it. Now you are very good at how to create line, how to delete it. Okay. If you come here, there is something called ortho mode. Restrict cursor orthogonally means you cannot able to create any inclined lines. So the thing is, if you want to create horizontal or vertical lines, take this one or switch it on. If you want to create inclined lines, switch it on. Very simple. What is the command? F8. Click on this. Now it is highlighted blue in color. Now go to line command again. Now select your first point. Now see, Even if you move your mouse up and bottom, it's able to draw only horizontal line. Now click here, now vertical line, now again horizontal line, now again vertical line. So escape. Okay. So if you want to draw only horizontal or vertical lines, the only important thing is we need to switch on this Autocad. The shortcut is okay. How to delete it? You already know. Okay, come over here, select this one, say delete. It's very simple. Now creating lines, deleting lines. And there is something called infinite line. What is infinite line? The measurement is infinite. Now go to command type Excel. So it is X line. Click on this, specify your first point. This is horizontal infinite line. Click on this. Okay. As recording is in progress, the movement of cursor is very slow. Bear with it. So say enter. This is somewhat infinite lines. So we drawn two lines. One is infinite horizontal line. Other one is infinite vertical line. How to delete them? Same. Select this one. Okay. Say escape. Select this one. Say delete. Select this one. Here also. Select this one and now we have seen how to create lines. Specific line or infinite. Very simple. Okay. Now, for example, we have a plot. Simple plot of say 30 feet by 40 feet. 30 feet by 40. Okay. Now go to line command. Specify your first point. Okay. Go to 30. Says this is your 30 feet. Where is it? The depth is 40 feet. Now let us see another command which is called offset command. The shortcut is O. There is something called offset. With this one, it is asking us offset distance. We know that it is 40 feet in depth. Contact to 40 again. So select this object. Let's see. Okay. Go to line command again. Select this one. Zoom it. Go to line command. Enter. Select the first point. Scroll down and select this anchor. Escape. Okay. Now come over here. Now go to line command. Specify your first point and your second point. Now your line is completed and your plot is also completed. It is 30 feet wide, 40 feet depth. Okay. Let us construct the wall. We know that the brick width is 4 inches. Again go to offset command. Say enter. Now you give 4 inch. 4 inch. It is not 4 feet. Say it. Now select your line. Press here. Again select your line. Press this way. This one. Press here. And you will plot select this line, save. Okay, now the wall is constructed, right? And if you see here, so overlapping or interlapping here. Next command is trim command. So let's trim off these lines. Shortcut is TR. TR for trim. Send. Again enter. We have to enter 2 times. Simply roll over your mouse, select this line, enter. Select this. Enter. Now pan your model. Let's come this side. Zoom your model. Select this one and select this one. Okay. Now pan your model. Let's come to bottom part. Now select this one. Now 3 sides done. Let's finish off on the 4th side. Select this one. Select this one. Now it is ready. Escape. Okay. It's clear. Very simple. Line command, offset command, trim command. Okay, so this is our plot. So we need a door to enter into it. Let's plan the door here. Okay. Now go to line command. For example, say at 6 inches. So randomly I am taking, this is the first class. But we will see the dimensions and measurements too in the coming classes. Says. Okay. Let us say the door is around 3 feet. Go to line command. Don't worry about the dimensions as of now. Okay. So this is very beginning class. And again, more here and select your one. Say escape. So let's say this is your door. Now it is closed. Let's open it. So how to delete those lines? How to use trim command. But if you select this line, the entire line is selected. If you delete it, the entire line will be deleted. So that is the reason we are using trim command. Go to trim, say enter, again enter. Now select these 2 lines. That's it. Alright, there is opening here. There is a door, and this is 30 by 45. Okay, this is the simple starting point with only 3 to 4 commands. So how to create a plot. Okay, hope you enjoyed this session. We will see some more commands in the next class. Stay tuned. If you like this video, do subscribe. Thanks for watching.